Do you have an error with the Libssl security shim DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I'll guide you through the diagnostic to restore system stability and get your security or network software working again. To kick off the Libssl security shim walkthrough, I've linked a professional resource to help maintain system-level configuration. This DLL file is a core OpenSSL library providing the secure sockets layer, SSL, and TLS protocols. It facilitates secure, encrypted communication between applications and remote servers across the internet. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. It's important to note that the Libssl security shim DLL is installed as part of your security or network software and isn't found in Windows by default. Reinstalling the latest official version of your security or network software from the official source will restore the correct version of the Libssl security shim to your PC. If you are still encountering the error after following the official setup, it's time to investigate the underlying system architecture. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with the Libssl security shim. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. While we've identified the fix, it's vital to discuss how to keep your environment secure from common threats. Protect your workstation by avoiding the temptation of quick manual fixes for the Libssl security shim DLL, as most free repositories prioritize ad revenue over file safety, often leading to the installation of obsolete or harmful software. A professional diagnostic tool can be a valuable asset for those looking to maintain long-term system stability and file integrity. Return to your workflow by reviewing the diagnostic information below related to the Libssl security shim and system efficiency. I hope this walkthrough provided the clarity you needed to fix the Libssl security shim. Please like the video to support the channel and subscribe for more system-level tutorials.